Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of artificial flowers with a spotlight on one of the finest offerings in the market, the FiveSeasonStuff iris flower. Known for its remarkable realism and elegant design, this artificial flower promises to elevate any space with its vibrant presence. Let's begin by exploring what makes these iris flowers stand out. Crafted from high-quality silk and plastic materials, they boast a real touch feel that mimics the natural texture and appearance of fresh flowers. This not only makes them visually appealing but also incredibly lifelike to the touch. Each bouquet comes with 6 long stems, each measuring a substantial 23.6 inches in height. This makes them ideal for creating stunning floral arrangements that can brighten up any room or event. Whether you're decorating for a wedding, enhancing your home decor, or adding a touch of elegance to a party, these iris flowers are versatile enough to suit any occasion. Their vibrant violet-purple hue adds a pop of color that effortlessly complements various settings. Imagine these irises adorning your dining table, accentuating a cozy corner, or even serving as a beautiful centerpiece. Their flexibility allows you to get creative with how you display them. One of the standout features of the FiveSeasonStuff iris flower is its durability. Unlike real flowers that wilt and require constant care, these artificial irises retain their beauty indefinitely. They're also easy to maintain. Simply dust them off occasionally to keep them looking fresh. In conclusion, the FiveSeasonStuff iris flower stands out as an exceptional choice for anyone looking to add a touch of nature's beauty to their surroundings without the hassle of maintenance. Whether you're a floral enthusiast, event planner, or simply someone who appreciates fine craftsmanship, these irises deliver on both aesthetics and practicality. That wraps up our review. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product analyses. Until next time, happy decorating!